You open a bank app, you fill in your details, you hit submit, and in less than 2 minutes, you get a message saying your loan is approved. No branch visit, no document queue, no waiting for days. This feels like magic. But it is not magic. It is artificial intelligence working at full speed. This video explains exactly what happens inside that 2-minute window. The old loan process was slow because it was fully manual. A bank employee would collect your documents, verify your salary slip, call your employer, check your credit score by hand, and then send your file to a credit committee. This process used to take 3 to 7 working days. Today, AI has replaced almost every one of those steps and does them all at the same time in a matter of seconds. The moment you hit submit on your loan application, an AI engine starts working on 6 things simultaneously. First, it pulls your CIBIL score directly from the credit bureau in real time. No manual request, no waiting. The score is in the system within seconds. This one number tells the AI a lot about how you have handled credit in the past. Second, the AI reads your bank statement automatically, not a human. The AI scans every transaction in your account. It checks your average monthly balance, the regularity of your salary credits, and how many existing EMIs are going out each month. It calculates your actual take-home income after all deductions and ongoing loan payments. This gives the AI a clear picture of how much you can safely repay. Third, the AI checks your digital and banking history with that specific institution. How long have you been their customer? Do you hold a salary account with them? Have you taken and repaid a loan before? Customers with an existing relationship and clean repayment history are approved faster because the AI already has more data to work with. Fourth, the AI runs all your data through a credit risk model. This model has been trained on millions of loan applications. It knows which combinations of age, income, job type, spending behavior, and credit score lead to loan defaults and which combinations do not. Your profile is compared against this model in milliseconds. A risk score is generated for you instantly. Fifth, the AI checks for fraud signals. It verifies whether your declared income matches the actual credits showing in your bank account. It scans your documents for authenticity markers. It flags any mismatch between your application details and your financial data. If everything matches, you clear this check automatically. Finally, your risk score is compared against the bank's lending policy. If your score crosses the approval threshold, the loan is sanctioned without any human involvement. The entire process from submission to approval takes under 2 minutes. The AI decision itself takes less than 1 second. The rest of the time is data moving between the bank's server, the credit bureau, and the loan management system. If your score is borderline or if the AI detects any mismatch, your application is flagged for human review and goes back to the traditional process. This is why some applications are instant and some still take a few days. The AI handles the clear cases. Humans handle the edge cases. This is how a 2-minute loan approval actually works. It is not luck. It is data, algorithms, and automation working together in real time. The better your credit history and the cleaner your financial data, the faster AI will approve you. Subscribe to All in Fi AI Finance for more AI money tips every week.